Namaskar. Today we will discuss different forms of allowances, how taxed under salaries head, income from salaries. Allowance is generally defined as a fixed quantity of money given regularly in addition to salary for the purpose of meeting some particular requirement connected with the services rendered by employee or as a compensation for unusual condition of that service. Allowances is fixed, predetermined and given irrespective of actual expenditure. Under the Act, it is taxable under Section 15 on due or receipt basis, whichever comes earlier, irrespective of the fact that it is paid to in addition to or in lieu of salary. Tax treatment of different allowance is as follows. Number 1. City Compensatory Allowance or CCA, fully taxable under Section 15 of Income Tax Act. House Rent Allowance or HRA, exempt from tax to the extent of the least of the first 50% of salary in Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, Madras or 40% of salary in other cases. House rent allowance or the excess of rent paid over 10% of salary. About 3 items, which amount is least is exempted or remaining amount is taxable. Next, entertainment allowance. This allowance is first included in salary and thereafter a deduction is allowed. It is exempted only in the case of government employee. List of the following is exempt from tax. First, 5,000. Second, 20% of salary. Third, actual entertainment allowance. List is exempted. Next allowance is children's education allowance. It is exempt from tax to the extent it does not exceed rupees 100 per month per child for a maximum of 2 children. Actual expenditure is not taken into consideration on the education of children. Next allowance is hostel expenditure allowance. It is exempt from tax to the extent it does not exceed rupees 300 per month per child for a maximum of 2 children. Actual expenditure is not taken into consideration on hostel expenditure expenses. Exemption is in addition to the exemption available in the case of children education allowance. ये चिल्ड्रन एजुकेशन अलाउंस जो 100 रुपये प्रति माह प्रति चाइल्ड है के एग्जेम्प्ट है, उसके अतिरिक्त है हॉस्टल एक्सपेंडिचर अलाउंस प्रति चाइल्ड 300 पर मंथ है फॉर 2 चिल्ड्रन. नेक्स्ट, अलाउंस फॉर ट्रांसपोर्ट एम्प्लॉयज. ट्रांसपोर्ट एम्प्लॉयज के लिए अलाउंस. इट इज गिवन टू एम्प्लॉयज ऑफ ट्रांसफर अंडरटेकिंग्स. जो ट्रांसपोर्ट कंपनियों में काम करते हैं उनको दिया जाता है. टू मीट देयर पर्सनल एक्सपेंडिचर ड्यूरिंग ड्यूटी परफॉर्म इन द कोर्स ऑफ रनिंग ऑफ सच ट्रांसपोर्ट फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. दिस अमाउंट इज एग्जेम्प्ट टू द एक्सटेंट इट डज नॉट एक्सीड फर्स्ट 70% ऑफ द अलाउंस और सेकेंड the 10,000 per month, which is ever is lower. In this case also actual expenditure is not taken into consideration. Next is tribal area allowance, exempt up to 200 per month in some cases. Traveling allowances, conveyance allowances, helper allowances, research allowances, uniform allowances. All these allowances are given to meet specific expenditure in performance of duties of an office. Exemption is available to the extent the amount is utilized for the specific purpose for which allowance is given. Next allowance is transfer allowance. It is exempt from tax to the extent expenditure is incurred in connection with transfer or packing and transportation of personal effects on transfer from one place to another place. Next allowance is foreign allowance. Exempt from tax if paid outside India by the government to an Indian citizen for rendering service outside India. Tiffin allowance, tax always taxable. Fixed medical allowance, always taxable. Sumptuary allowance to serving chairman / member of UPSC, not chargeable to tax. Thank you.